you're wondering why I have these balloons here with me and a plate. It goes with today's lesson. And today we're going to decorate something. And here comes the cake. Here it is. We'll put it on top. And we're gonna get to decorate this very cake. And we'll put it right on the top. Wow, it's coming together pretty good. We have our balloons and our cake. But our cake needs a little bit more decorations. Hi friends, it's me, Miss Angie. I bet you're wondering why I have these balloons here with me and a plate. It goes with today's lesson. And today we're going to decorate something. Join me. Let's find out some more. Let's put this balloon first. Are you ready? In today's book we're going to read today is called Froggy Bakes a Cake. Let's see, and this is written by Jonathan London, illustrated by Frank Remkowitz. What do you think this book is about? Do you think it's about visiting the animals at the zoo?
No.
No. Do you think it's about baking something with eggs and flour?
Yes.
Yes, let's read it together and find out more. Froggy Bakes a Cake. It was Froggy's mother's birthday. Froggy was outside making mud pies. Froggy, called his father. What? Help me bake a cake for your mother. Oh, please, cried Froggy. I want to do it all by myself. So Froggy flopped into the kitchen. Flop, flop, flop. You'll need flour, said his father, and sugar and chocolate. I know, cried Froggy, and he pushed his chair against the counter and climbed up. There he is, getting ready. I think he's gonna get the ingredients. He took down the flour. He took down the sugar. He took down all the chocolate candy his mother had hidden since Halloween. We need lots of flour and sugar, said Froggy. He dumped a large bag of flour and a whole box of sugar into the big yellow bowl. We need lots and lots of chocolate, said Froggy. And then he dumped in 10 handfuls of chocolate-covered flies. There he is. He's putting in some chocolate-covered flies. We need milk too, said Froggy's father. I know, cried Froggy. And he flopped into the fridge, flop, 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 and grabbed a carton of milk. Oops, it dropped on his foot and spilled. And eggs and butter, added his father. I know, cried Froggy. He snatched a carton of eggs. Oops, he only broke 4 or 5. And just 1 stick of butter fell on the floor. But there he goes. He's on a mission. He's gonna make a cake. Don't forget the baking powder, said his father. I know, cried Froggy. And he climbed up and took down the baking powder. Then he cracked 7 eggs into the bowl. Crack, 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 crack. And only a few shells fell in. And he put in the butter, glop, and poured in the milk, glop, glop, glop. And finally, he dumped in the whole box of baking powder. Shloop! Looks like he's having a blast. Time to mix it all together, said his father. I know, cried Froggy. And he stirred it up and slopped it and mixed it and plopped it. Then he dumped all the goopy cake batter in a cake pan and shoved the cake into the oven. And he sang, oogly boogly burbly bake, I make and I bake and I wait for the cake. There he is, putting it into the oven. Froggy, called his father. What? While you wait for the cake to bake, help me blow up the balloons. There he is, gonna help him. Froggy helped blow up the balloons. He blew and blew and he blew and blew. Pop! It popped. Now, said his father, help me set the table. Froggy helped set the table. Oops! He knocked over the lemonade and the party paper tablecloth got all wet. Froggy, called his mother. What? What smells so good? It's a surprise, yelled Froggy, and he flopped back to the kitchen. Flop, flop, flop. There he goes. Come and get it, hollered Froggy. Froggy's mother and father flopped in and slid across the buttery floor. Whoa! And Froggy said, "Are you ready?" and opened the oven door. Look at that oven. It looks like it's about to blow. Yikes! The cake exploded, yelled Froggy's father. Oops, cried Froggy, looking more red in the face than green. Too much baking powder, I guess. Oh no. Mom does look surprised. It's good though, said his father, licking his fingers. Wait, cried Froggy. I'll be right back. Flop, flop, flop. There he goes. Happy birthday, Mom, he said, and he handed her a fresh mud pie with a candle in it. I made it all by myself. Oh, Froggy, said his mother, this is the best birthday pie I ever had. What a mess, said Froggy's father. Let's go out to celebrate. Great, said Froggy. Yes, said Froggy's mother. And together they leapfrogged all the way to the bakery. Flop, flop, flop. The end. That was a good book. What was your favorite part of the book? Was it maybe in the beginning when Froggy got called to help make a cake and he gathered the ingredients? Or maybe it was in the middle when Froggy started mixing all the ingredients together? Or was it again in the middle when he blew the balloon and it popped right in his hands? Or maybe it was in the end when the cake exploded and Froggy brought a mud pie for his mom. Those are all good parts of the book. So today in our activity, we have our balloons ready to make and decorate our cake. So here we have a plate. And here we're gonna put our cake and we're gonna remember some things that happened in the story. So here's a plate. Do you remember what Froggy was making for his mom?
A cake.
That's right, a cake. Can you say, I need a cake for my plate?
I need a cake for my plate.
Good job. And here comes the cake. Here it is. We'll put it on top. Now we're gonna get to decorate this very cake. Okay. Now Froggy's cake didn't make it all the way, but we have this cake to decorate. Okay, next we need some frosting. Let's start with some pink frosting here at the bottom. Can you say, I need some pink frosting for my cake?
I need some pink frosting for my cake.
Good job. Oh, here we have our frosting. Let's put it on the cake. Here we go, and it's the color pink. We'll put right here on the cake. Okay, now we still have another 2 levels. Let's do a blue frosting. Can you say, I need some blue frosting for my cake?
I need some blue frosting for my cake.
Good job. And we'll put this blue frosting here on this level. There we go. Let's put it down here. Our cake is looking pretty good. We have pink and blue. Next, we'll put an orange one on the top. Can you say, I need some orange frosting for the top of the cake?
I need some orange frosting for the top of the cake.
Good job. And we'll put it right on the top. Wow, it's coming together pretty good. We have our balloons and our cake, but our cake needs a little bit more decorations. I think that it needs maybe some beautiful flowers. Can you say, I need 4 flowers for the bottom of the cake?
I need 4 flowers for the bottom of the cake.
Good job. And we'll put 4 flowers. Okay, and I need your help counting them with me. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
and one more, 4.
4.
Good job. We have 4 flowers here at the bottom. Now, let's put some flowers here in the middle. Let's put 2 of them. Can you say, I need 2 flowers for the middle cake?
I need 2 flowers for the middle cake.
Good job. And we'll put 2 flowers. 1 here. And 2.
2.
2 flowers for our cake. All right. Okay. Now, let's put 1 more flower here on the top. Can you say, I need 1 flower for the top of the cake?
I need 1 flower for the top of the cake.
Good job. And we'll put it here at the top. There we go. Okay. Uh-oh, our flower fell down. Let's grab another one and put it on the cake. There we go. Now, on a cake, remember, whose birthday was it in the book?
It was Mom's.
That's right, it was Mom's. Can you say, I need some candles for the top of the cake?
I need some candles for the top of the cake.
Good job, and we'll put the candles on top. Okay, here's 1, 2,
2,
and 3.
3.
3 cakes on the 3 candles on the top of the cake. Now, our cake is almost ready. What's missing? Do you remember what Froggy had to put in that was chocolate?
The flies.
That's right, the flies. So we're gonna put chocolate covered flies on our cake. Okay, can you say, I need some chocolate covered flies for my cake?
I need some chocolate covered flies for my cake.
Good job. And let's put them on the cake. Okay, so here's this one. We have this one. Let's get some more. Bzz, 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 bzz. These chocolate covered flies, they're coming in all over. One in the middle, here at the bottom, and one more. Let's go ahead and do 2 more. Okay, here's our cake. Okay, let's count how many chocolate covered flies are on here. Count with me. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5, 6,
6,
7, 8,
8,
9 chocolate covered flies. Thank you for helping me decorate the cake. Can you say, we decorated a cake today?
We decorated a cake today.
Good job. Thank you for doing our activity and reading our book. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.